What's up, y'all? So on Hanukkah, it's traditional to eat fried foods like latkes and Sufganiyot, which is like jelly donuts. At first, I always thought these would be pretty difficult to make. However, with the help of vegan-friendly biscuits, I'll link a few below, it is actually very easy and I'm super excited about these. Enough talking, let's get started. There you have our Sufganiyot, aka jelly donuts. As you saw, super easy to make. Now the best part, let's give them a try. Hope we don't choke on the powdered sugar. It's got the raspberry jelly inside. Not too sweet. Absolutely perfect. And now that I know how easy these are to make, I will definitely be making them every year. I'll post the link for the recipe below. And if you've made these before, let me know what you used. Did you make your dough from scratch? Did you use biscuit dough? And I've also heard some people use pizza dough. That could work too. So let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya. Happy Hanukkah.